Hi, my glowing angels. Welcome back to my channel. I am Yi Yi Magic. That means like Yi Yi is aunt in Chinese, in Cantonese. And yeah, like when my niece was younger, I would make her go to sleep fairly quickly. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm like Yi Yi Magic is like a nice little trick. But I've connected to my spirit self, so I am magical. I love it. What message does the collective need to hear today? A few popped up while I was shuffling. The Tower, the Hangman, and the Moon. So there's three major arcanas right away. So some life-changing moments happening for you. There is a sudden shift, a sudden change, just something quick movement is coming. You are built on unstable foundation, and that needs to be changed. The Hangman, you are thinking things differently. You've been in the Moon where you're seeing different like illusions, things that weren't really real, but they're coming to a surface now, and you're seeing things in a different way. Spirit team, what message do you have for the collective? This is a guided message. If you are seeing this, this is for you. And also take what resonates, use your discernment. And if you want a personal reading, the information will be in the description. Ooh, Spirit is saying you've done a lot of hard work. You've been persevering. You're standing your ground. And also you have the Devil in reverse. You're overcoming addiction, some releasing of that captivity that you're holding on to, because like the Devil card is you're feeding into your addictions, the things that don't do you well. Again, seriously, guys. The Tower, the Hangman, the Moon, the Devil, the Fool. Big changes are coming your way with like all the major arcanas showing up. Believe in yourself, trust your gut, like use your discernment. you you are very sweet and innocent with the Six of Cups. Like there's this wholesomeness about you guys. You guys are like light, keeping innocent, being your sweet self, like seeing things in like hope, and like having like this light about you. That is what I'm hearing from Spirit. Spirit, what other message do you have for the collective, please and thank you? What other message do you have for the collective? You have 8. Sorry for the coughing, guys. Sorry. 8 of Pentacles. You are happy employed. You are mastering your craft at work, your skills. You are very talented. Keep on working on that. And I feel like with the 9 of Wands, your hard work is getting paid off. The Ace of Wands, new way of thinking, a breakthrough, progress is coming your way. Ace of Cups again. So like your actions and how you are feeling is you're fulfilling your own cup. You're not needing anybody to give you validation. You're just like, oh, I got it. I'm good. I'm bad by myself. I can do it all on my own. But you don't have to. You get to pick and choose who you want to be with, and you don't have to settle for less. Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. You are consistent. You are reliable. You are so strong in who you are, and it's just like, ooh, what is coming their way, Spirit? Spirit team, what is coming their way? This message is for the collective. What's coming their way? Justice is coming your way, and Page of Wands. So you're getting inspiration, you're getting fresh ideas, and justice is coming your way. So if anyone did you wrong, hey, they better watch out. Let's see. 1, Justice, Page of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, the Fool, the Devil, the Moon, the Hangman, and the Tower. yeah, life is happening for you. Like there's some big changes coming your way. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, tell me what you think. I love to I want you all to be seen, heard, acknowledged, and I accept you for who you are. So please like, comment, share. I love you all. Take care.